This is my Mustang 5.0. Not a show car, not a weekend cruiser. This is a project. A never-ending, money pit, soul-crushing project. And today, I'm telling you the story of how it broke my heart and why I am rebuilding it anyways. My obsession started when I was a kid. The Cobra Terminator. That name, that sound, it was everything. A V8 beast that looked like it owned the road. To me, this car wasn't just metal. It was the king of the street. So I finally bought mine. It was so nice and I was so happy. I took it to car meets and it was awesome.
Didn't think you'd look for me. Would it kill you just to make a move? Nothing good comes for free. I am leaving, tell me what to do. I can feel us slipping away. Shape emotions ain't nothing new, but I still break just the same.
But it was rough. It needed a miracle as it was old and crusty. My vision was simple. Make it feel brand new, perfect, clean, and hit 600 horsepower at the wheels. A complete, honest build. I had the dream, I had the car, all I needed was the right shop. And that's where the nightmare began. I took it to a few places hoping for expertise. What I got was absolute destruction. I spent a fortune and the car came back worse.
I'm so insecure. Wanna tell you that I love you and much more, but I just can't find the words now. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth and stop by my pride, yeah.
The body was smashed, paint was crashed and faded. They jacked it up wrong places and cracked the side skirt. This car had clearly been in an accident they didn't tell me about. Every time I look at it, it was heart crushing. My childhood hero turned into a piece of junk. The garage did sleeve it into a 5.0, but it doesn't run. And I have zero faith in their workmanship. Everyone around me told me to quit. Sell it. It's a bad car, a money pit. They couldn't see past the rust and the damage. They couldn't see the little kid in me who just wanted his toy back. But I refused to listen. The only way to achieve a dream this big is to ignore the noise. My goals are now crystal clear. I'm going to prove every single person wrong. I'm going to wake up every day and put in the work until this car drives and feel like it just rolled off the showroom floor. And even though it's a long and very hard journey, I'm gonna take you guys on my journey in restoring my car, and I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be fun and that we prove all these people wrong, that we revive this car and bring it back to the car shows better than ever, stronger than ever, with the 600 wheel horsepower. Maybe it's not the first target we're gonna reach, but we are going to reach our goals and targets, or at least try. And you are going to watch my fails and my success, and I'm going to show you everything. And remember, I'm not a mechanic. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I have set this goal and I'm going to do this on my own because my mechanic didn't do a right job. So it's only right to learn, understand, and build my own engine and build my own car and build my own Terminator. So far, my journey has been very hard, very confusing, and very overwhelming. But I have learned a lot of things, and having you guys and your feedback and your comments is what make me push and try and keep going. And I hope that one day I can motivate someone else to take his project in his own hand and to actually build it and make it better and become very happy with what he built. Be proud of what you made. This is my journey. This is the rise of my Terminator.